So to do that in seconds is pretty significant. And when a thief has a go at this, they do this once and that's it, they move on. The inventor, that's the sound I like to hear, which is the disc basically going down to the side where it's completely not working at all, useless, yeah, thank you. And this lock needs to be cut twice because we have anti-rotation, and I'm going to show that most locks can be cut off in about 10 seconds. So this is typical of just a normal lock that you would buy, so whether it's a chain or a D-lock or a disc lock that doesn't have armour on it. Okay, so if that is your bike and your unarmoured lock, that could be the end of your bike, it's gone. So obviously this is why we came up with Baronium. We make this in Swansea down the road. This is a fused composite armour. It's an aerospace grade material. We spent 5 or 6 years developing this. And just watch the disc because you'll see it'll get to a point where the disc suddenly starts to go really small. And it's not faked, obviously, because you'll hear, as some people said to me earlier about films on social and stuff, this is the real thing.